Hey everybody, it's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to use an eyebrow pencil. Filling in your eyebrows with a pencil can be a little tricky, so I'm going to show you the best way to get the most natural looking brow. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon Pencil. I've been using this one for a while. I actually really like it because it is so teeny tiny, such a tiny precise little tip, so you can really get those hair-like strokes. And then on the other side it has a little spoolie brush to comb through. You only need this one tool to get really perfect brows. So when it comes to filling your eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil, it's really important to not just outline your eyebrows. I see this happening a lot where people just, draw in an outline of their brow with the pencil and then start filling it in. To have a really natural looking brow, you just want to use little brush strokes, and you don't want to create these harsh edges because that isn't something that happens in nature, and it's also, again, creating harsh angles and making everything look, it makes me look a little angry. So I don't want to look angry. I'm following the direction of the hair. So these hairs are going upwards, so I go upwards, and then for these hairs they kind of go to the side, so I kind of start flipping my direction, and I'll do it to the side. And then these hairs grow down, so I'll do little hair strokes down. Take a little spoolie on the other side and comb through to make sure that it blends and that it softens any harsh lines. But there you go. That is how you get a more natural looking brow using your eyebrow pencil. I hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, you can subscribe down below. And as always, if you want to learn more about me and my makeup classes, you can check them out at jenbrownmakeup.com.